Hey guys, it's emergency that I'm making that video. Actually, it's not planned video. So this morning it was quite dark, but I had not expected that so we will have this kind of weather. Suddenly, now everything has become dark and it's a stormy. It's windy morning. Outside it has become dark, so I'm gonna show you this a bit, because this is also one of my experience, and it's it's quite I'm feeling a little bit like what to say is so just now I made a call to my sister also, and I just asked her where are the children, to take care of them. And so we feel really scared, we feel really insecure this kind of weather. So we are lucky today as we are off, so we don't have duty, so as we are here as in the resident. But I really care about those people, I really worry about those people who are outside. Let's pray for them. And I want to show you how is the weather outside. It's windy morning. It's just 8:30. So I'm inside the room, so I'm gonna open this curtain and I'll show you outside what is happening. All right. Thank you for watching tease and emergency video that I had not planned. So suddenly the weather changed, so I thought that it is also one of my experience. So why don't I make the video? So from here we have to learn the lesson that what God has planned, nature has planned for us, we don't know. Our life is not fixed. What will happen in which time, which moment? So we have to try to be prepared. But I know that natural disaster we cannot control, but at least we can pray for those people. We can ask if needed, we can help. I thought this is also one of my experience, so I just captured. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.